Hello Cancerians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and your person. So on one side will be your energies, on other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. So please feel free to swap your sides according to your story. Let's see what's there for Cancerians. So on your side we have the Empress. Let's see what's on your person side. Okay, we have the Knight of Swords on your person side, the most likely outcome. Shit, we have the Tower as the most likely outcome. So won't be commenting much before I get the clarifiers, but yes, with the Empress there is definitely a new beginning which you are manifesting. Somebody is very attracted to you, and here on your person's side with the Knight of Swords, this person is rushing in because they are very attracted to you, and here with the Tower as the outcome, you can see it doesn't work out. So I won't be commenting much before I take the clarifiers as to, because we have the Tower as the outcome. I really don't, I need to see what is this happening, that why isn't it working out as far as these three cards are concerned. So let's see what's Empress all about. Okay, so we have the Seven of Cups, the Page of Cups, and the Sun on your side. Let's see, why is this Knight of Swords here for? Okay, again the Tower, oh shit. Tower, the Eight of Swords, and the Seven of Wands. Let's see what's there. Okay, we have the Magician, the Three of Pentacles, and the Ten of Cups. Okay. With the Empress, what I am getting here is, you know what? The first thing which is coming to my mind is that you are very smart. You have an idea how to put yourself on a pedestal. You think that is a very good thing which you are doing. Maybe it is, I'm not saying it's wrong. Here you have enough choices, you're trying to make up your mind, and you want to look approachable. You are being unapproachable, sorry, not approachable, unapproachable. Okay, so you know how to put yourself on a pedestal. And here the energy which I'm getting is a little bit shrewd sort of a thing. You're trying to act a little smart, that's what I'm trying to say. A little smart, little mischievous. It's not coming from the heart, it is coming from the head. Okay, this energy. Okay, so with the Empress, though it is manifestation of a new beginning, definitely a new beginning, but what I got here was, this person is very drawn to you. Okay, now no, I didn't get that new beginning type of a thing. It's about that this person is very attracted to you. You are very attractive, and you are being very attracted to this person because you are unapproachable. You feel, and this is, you are doing strategically, uh, in your head, even if you love them, even if you have feelings for them, but that is something secondary for you. Over here you have perhaps, and this is secondary perhaps because of the fact, maybe you have many options, but you are using your head, you are playing with your brain here. To be honest, it's all about brain. It's nothing about the heart over here, actually. That is, you are being a little shrewd, a little manipulative, or whatever it is. You are acting unapproachable over here. You are behaving unapproachable over here. And with the with the sun over here, what I feel is you are happy in your own world. I don't think that you are actually invested in this person. You have many options. You are actually, I don't think you really have any feelings also for this person over here. It's just another one in your life, perhaps. You have many options, it's just another one there in your life. You won't, that is why you're playing these mind games, actually, to be honest. Don't feel bad about it, but I'm just saying what I'm getting. You are enjoying the fact that this person, you are enjoying that attention which this person is giving you because they're rushing towards you. You are enjoying that attention, you're putting yourself on the pedestal, and you are just enjoying that stuff. It's all about mind games. Nothing is there emotionally. I don't think. You are just enjoying that attention which you are getting from this person. And with the Knight of Swords, this person is rushing in towards you very, very fast, because of the fact that already you are in the pedestal. They feel they lose you if they don't rush in, and they don't get you. They're just trying to grab you because they feel that maybe they know that you have many options, or they can understand that you must be having many options. So you've empowered yourself, put yourself on a pedestal, and this person is rushing in towards you. And because they are rushing in, and you are playing mind games over here, so obviously it will not be working out. There is no emotions on your side, and once they realize it, they will realize it, because obviously you will do something. This person will be able to sense that you are not giving them that attention, maybe for whatever reason you are, and this obviously won't work. This is not going to work. And once this clarity comes to them, they feel themselves, obviously they feel hurt, and they feel sort of caged, and they feel it's obviously a bad experience for them. But with the Seven of Wands, this person will realize what you are doing to them. It will definitely hurt them, but I think this person will take the time. Obviously this is the time they will take to heal. Obviously with the Seven of Wands, that's what I'm getting. They will take a break from this relationship, and they will give themselves some time to maintain their sanity and serenity, which you have destroyed. I'll say what I'm getting, please don't feel bad, I know. And Tower, see, there's double tower, and the tower is clarified by the magician, the Three of Pentacles, and the Ten of Pentacles. Again, how can you reunite? Let's see what is it all about. So what I am getting here is, this person is obviously taking the time. They will not be investing in you. And here with the magician also, that's what I'm getting. They are spending that time alone, trying to figure out things. And what I'm getting here is, maybe they are trying to uh, sort out answers. Actually, they're trying to spending time to work out on this. See, energy, though magician talks about new beginnings and all, but what I am getting here is, this person is upset. They want that time alone. They are trying to figure things out, and they want obviously a new life for themselves. That's what I'm getting. They are totally focused on coming to terms with whatever has happened with them, and looking for a new life for themselves. Basically that's what I'm getting. I don't see it's all about you over here. What I feel is, this person is feeling very hurt. They are spending their time alone, and they are trying to get themselves back up. Actually, that's what they are trying to do. They are working on themselves, trying to get back up, and they are very, very hurt for the fact what you have done to them. They are trying to figure that out, and what again and again which I'm getting, they have that negativity also for you. They are really unhappy with you for what you've done actually. Okay, so they are trying to figure things out basically and work on themselves. I want to see why is this Ten of Cups here for. It's all about whom. See, this person is perhaps spending some time with their friends. They want a new beginning, they want a committed relationship. And further we have the Three of Swords, the Five of Swords, the Nine of Swords. Shit. How have you made them feel here? The Knight of Wands over here, the Ten of Swords, and the Three of Cups. So what I feel is this person, as I said, this person is having that insult. They are feeling insulted, they are feeling humiliated for the mind games which you have played with them. Okay, they want a new beginning from themselves. They are looking for a commitment. They are definitely looking for a commitment. They are spending the time with their friends or their family so that they are able to come out of this negativity. And here just see with the Three of Swords how they feel with the Five of Swords. The Nine of Swords, they are very, very hurt, depressed. They are having a hard time coming out of this negative experience which you've given them actually, Cancerians. Okay, so that's what you've done to them. They are feeling as if you made their life hell actually. You know what? That's what, I don't know with whom this will resonate and how you will feel about it, but that's what I'm getting. They are feeling insulted. They have that vengeance also, you know, that I'm not saying they'll do anything about it, but yes, they have that humiliation thing in there. That's the energy which I picked up with the magician. They want to get back up. Definitely, they are being strong from inside. They have that determination to get that control of the life back again. They have that thing, okay, in them, and that is what they are giving that time to themselves, because they are having a hard time coming out of it. They want, maybe they are spending time with their family so that they are able to come out of it. I don't see it's you, to be honest. Friends and family, they are looking forward for a committed relationship this time, and because they are having a hard time, I've already told you. And with the Knight of Wands, with the Ten of Swords, and with the Three of Cups, so this Three of Cups is obviously what I'm getting here is they are having a hard time coming in. But what I see here is with the Knight of Wands, they will have somebody coming in. They will be able to manifest this happiness and breathe that fresh air, walking away from you. That's what I'm getting. And they are turning your back towards you. They are definitely turning your back towards you. They want a new beginning to their life. They want a fresh lease of life in their life, and here they are enjoying their life. So finally they will be able to get back up. I don't see that. Let's see what is the message from the universe. Treasure your loved ones. It is important to love others deeply. Number 10 or number 1 may be of some significance for you. So you need to treasure your loved ones. You need to pay attention to them. Your love should be unconditional rather than playing these mind games. So that's what is a message for you from the universe. You need to treasure them, because you didn't treasure them, they are walking away from you. So Cancerians, that's all I have for you, and I just hope it helps, because it's a very different sort of a reading. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's meet in the next video. Bye.